Hey, it's Jim from Dono Mountain Custom Models. Got this Conrail GP40 and Atlas number 3050. Custom weathered, Tsunami Sound obviously. Put the correct plow on it. It already had the MU hoses and cut bars. I put the train control box on it as well. I put the window shades on because to fill the holes in where the window shades are would have made it look worse than just putting the window shades on. So that's about the only thing not completely correct about it. Other than that, it looks really good. Sounds really good too. Oh, and I put the MV lenses in for the marker lights, the red ones. So why don't we take a look at this guy? Again, weathering pretty standard. Oops. And then also in the back, I cut off those footboards where, you know, where the MU hoses go in to make it more of a actual late 70s, 80s era GP40. Sorry about that, hit the bell. I shouldn't have. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.